Hi, my name's Elisa Thompson, and I'm 66 years old from Southampton, New York. I've known Mitch for 16 years, and it was a miracle that I found him. I was at a brace maker's in Tampa, Florida. I had been through 5 braces that year. I was getting very depressed and very anxious. They all hurt my foot. They were the AFOs, the ones the insurance will pay for, which are $1,000 to $1,500. Well, at least they were in those days. And they were worthless. So I arrived at Mitch's with 5 braces in a suitcase, and he made me my first brace, which was fantastic. And so with this new brace with a longer foot plate, Mitch made some recommendations and some adjustments. I can't believe it. So should I start dancing now?
Yeah, you can.
Let's see if I can back up. Look, I can back up. I could never back up before. And it makes me feel like I'm taking shorter steps, which is good. I don't need to take those long steps. My foot doesn't hurt, and I can feel that I have more spring in my gait again. So I can't tell you how pleased. I am just so blessed that there is a brace maker that can make a brace like this for me. So that's my wish for you, is that you can have as good a gait as I have with this brace.
Okay, one more time.
Voila.
Whoa.
Max thinks it's time to play. Look at that walk. Swing, 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 just like my physical therapist tells me.
Much better.
Swing, swing, swing. The physical therapist says I should move my hips when I walk, if that's what people do.
And could you just tell us about post-polio syndrome? Anything you want to discuss?
Post-polio. I hate the term. I had polio when I was 2.5 in Southampton, New York. I had the shot 6 months before I got polio, so it wasn't from the shot. I believe in vaccines. I had 3 operations as a child. At one point, my leg was, I was 11 years old, my leg was 3.5 inches shorter on one side. I have a drop foot and no dorsiflexion. But like I say, I'm very fortunate that I've had such good care and that I have the kind of brace I have that gives me that oomph so that I can walk.
And you feel the energy return, the difference with it?
Excuse me?
The energy return.
Oh yeah, that's what I mean when I say oomph. Maxie, Maxie, Maxie. He wants his money. Maxie. And I was just showing Mitch that, you know, my physical therapists have told me swing my arms and my hips more. And I can do that with this. So my gait gets even more improved. So like I say, I just wish for everyone that has post-polio or some other kind of disability that they can get this kind of a brace. And those AFOs and the insurance company, I just want to punch them, you know, because they don't work. They're off the shelf, they're not custom. I have a deformed drop foot and it just won't fit in that off the shelf brace. So it's well worth the time and the money to get a custom fit brace. I don't feel like I have a choice. It's just the most wonderful thing.
Well, thank you, Lisa, and we will follow up with you and see how you're doing soon.
All right.
All right.
Call me anytime anybody needs a reference. Call me.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.